Ready to take another step toward home purchase? Let's talk money. Mortgage is the cheapest loan available for purchasing your home. But stop, there are things to be mindful of. If not already, I would suggest you to watch previous 2 clips in this video series. In the first one, I talked about doing the math. And in the second one, I talked about selecting your agent. The banks need some basic stuff before they approve you for the mortgage on the house of your choosing. Keep them handy so you can submit them the moment your offer is accepted. Many people take longer to find the papers and ran risk of losing the house. Down payment. The banks want to see the down payment is sitting in your bank account for at least 90 days before they approve your file. There are exceptions which are assessed from case to case. Banks will also consider overseas liquid funds if you can prove your ownership. If you are getting funds from your relatives or friends, you will need to obtain appropriate format gift letters, and banks may ask for their bank statements to tally the number. Job letters. To my best knowledge, banks would see a minimum of 2 years consistency of your job. The longer, the better. Notices of assessment. 2 years or sometimes 3 years notice of assessments may be asked from you. Sometimes they average the numbers. Pay stubs. They may ask for the last 2 to 4 pay stubs. If you have paid off a loan and it still shows on your credit report, have a discharge letter from the lending institution and go to credit bureau and get it fixed. There are certain cautions to be aware of. Do not make any big ticket credit purchase. Even during the active offer on a property, any credit purchase can result in the banks pulling its plug on any approval. Do not get enticed by discount offers for appliances, furniture, or other household stuff. They will always be there. But if you put something on your credit file before or during your offer, that could turn out to be the worst nightmare of your life. Who to go for mortgage? When you need mortgage, you have 2 options. Number 1, walk into a bank and meet with one mortgage consultant. Number 2, go to a private mortgage broker and ask for approval. Different people have different take on these 2 options. While some prefer dealing directly with the banks, others are way more comfortable with the mortgage broker. If you're not shopping for the best rate of interest, banks may work for you. But if you want to shop around for the best mortgage rates, then mortgage brokers are best suited. One bank's credit check cannot be used for approval with another bank or financial institution, but a mortgage broker can use single credit check to shop for the best rate of interest with all lenders on their list. Getting finance for the home you bid on is a very serious matter. Many real estate agents work with reputed mortgage agents and will be happy to refer you to them. When real estate agent and mortgage broker are on a team, the communication is fluid and instant. However, when some buyers go with their own mortgage agents, the communication is often delayed, causing confusion and anxiety. Another great thing about referred mortgage agent is that the real estate agent is already comfortable with their expertise to get approval. That's something you should look at. If you want to deal directly with the bank, unless you have prior experience working with the mortgage agent, do not hesitate to ask about their credential and experience. I noticed that people don't ask questions from the bank's mortgage consultants or agents because the bank's branding instills assurance and trust they need to transact. If you find yourself uncomfortable, ask to be directed to another seasoned consultant. Don't rush to sign papers. Make sure you are explained each and everything you should know, and you should take notes. If you bought your home, how was your experience on the mortgage aspect of transaction? Share with me your experience. If you or anyone you know were looking to buy their home, please feel free to refer them to me. I shall take due care of them and make home buying a pleasant experience for them. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your circle of friends or family. Your comments are highly appreciated. Before I end, I would like to say that this video is in no way designed to denounce the banks. This is just a take, putting some thought in your mind, and you should always take your time and do due diligence before you make a final decision on anything said in this video. Thank you very much.